Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've organized your photos and opened VN. Now create the project and import. Start by selecting New Project, pick the correct aspect ratio for your delivery platform, then import the entire folder so ordering stays intact. Once done, set a base photo duration. 2 to 3 seconds is a good starting point, then scrub the timeline to confirm the order. Make sure autosave is on. This prevents lost edits while you move into timing and transitions. Now refine pacing and motion to make your photo video feel alive. You'll trim or extend each photo so the sequence follows your intended rhythm, shorten to ones for fast cuts or lengthen to 4s for emphasis. Apply transitions sparingly or add Ken Burns motion to pan and zoom. Adjust easing to avoid abrupt moves. Then import audio, use waveform markers, and align photo changes to beats. Finally, layer text or overlays for context and adjust opacity for visual balance. Finish by checking everything at full preview and set export settings. Choose resolution and bitrate that match your platform, then export a short test clip first. If audio drifts, make sure the audio file isn't variable frame rate. Relink or nudge clips to resync with markers. If export fails or shows glitches, clear VN's cache, restart the app, and try exporting a smaller segment to isolate the issue. Once the test looks good, export the full video and verify playback on target devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.